Today we're going to talk about microfiber and what makes i-fibre so much better than other microfiber in the industry. Microfiber in general in the cleaning industry is a split fiber. Many people think of microfiber, they have a golf shirts or microfiber fabric on their sofa. Microfiber in the cleaning world is a split fiber. So it's defined as less than 1 denier. Most people don't know what a denier is, so a good way to know what a microfiber size is, if you take a human hair, it's 1/100th the size of a human hair. So you get a picture of how small that is, thus the name microfiber. We take that one fiber and split it, and when you split that fiber, it splits into these small little fingers, and we'll have millions of those splits into a fiber. A golf shirt or a microfiber fabric that's on a couch or sofa is not splits, so you're not going to feel that picking at the pores of your skin. Those splits, why we do that in the cleaning world is when we're cleaning a hard surface, the splits pick out the germs and the dirt and hold it into the fiber. That's the advantage of having microfiber in the cleaning world. And with i-fibre, we split the fibers 3 times. So we have many more splits, and the advantage of that is we can pick up more germs, hold more solution. Because microfiber is a plastic material, the solution does not absorb inside of the fabric. If you have a cotton mop or a cotton cloth, the solution you're cleaning with absorbs into the fiber, and therefore it's a lot more difficult to clean out. With microfiber, because it's plastic, everything is held on the outside of the fiber and in these little splits. That's why we're able to pick up so many fine germs. You've probably seen a lot of tests or heard tests out there of bacteria being picked up with microfiber. That's how we do it, is because the millions of splits that are in the fiber get into the fine pores of a glass or a hard surface, whatever type of surface that you're cleaning. And having 3 splits, and the only one in the industry to have that type of fiber, we pick up a lot more germs and hold more solution because, again, more splits hold more solution because it's on the outside of the fibers. So we're going to be able to go further in the cleaning process. This is a mop, and one thing you'll notice is there are these channels in the fibers. We want to make sure that we keep these channels open because as we are cleaning with microfiber, the dirt needs to go somewhere in the fiber if we're picking up a heavy soil level. If we're in a patient room, there's not a heavy soil level, we're just looking to pick up germs. But if you're in a lobby where there's much more traffic, there's going to be a heavier soil level, and that's what these debris channels, as we call them, is going to pick up more of the dirt.